What's going on, guys? Biker Dave with another easy tip for you guys. After you've done maybe a tire change or wheel change or any reason that you've removed the wheels on your bike, this could be for street bikes, dirt bikes, anything. Before you go riding again, after you've got the wheel back installed and all that, make sure you just do this. Pump up the brake. Especially if you've spread out, because it's easiest if you spread out the brake pads down here, because it's easier to put the wheel back in place because it's such a small gap right there. The rotor just sometimes struggles to get back in there, so I usually spread out my brake pads after I remove the wheel because it makes it easier to put everything back in. But if you don't remember to pump that brake pedal and you go ripping on the track, you will have no brakes. So, because it'll be spread out right there. Same with the front brake as well. Very simple, but that can be extremely dangerous if you don't remember to just pump your brakes after installing your wheel. That's all. Check out other videos. Got tons of videos on this bike, YZ250, as well as other basic stuff and in-depth maintenance. Working on your motorcycle, your dirt bike, or Harley Davidson, or whatever. So scan through our channel. You'll find all kinds of cool stuff that you might enjoy. And Google Horsepower House. We are all over the place online, so check us out. Biker Dave in the house, working on YZ. Y'all have a good day.